bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.
I'm Uncle Frank. I wanted to talk to you about Christmas time in Chicago. When I was getting older, I worked for a wonderful Italian man. He had a newspaper stand on State and Lake, right across from the Chicago Theater. And cold. I mean, the wind off the lake that's a killer. And you'd have to put, if you had boots, most of the time we didn't have boots, but, and we'd get gloves, and it was terrific. And we'd be under the L. The L would go, and you can hear the L going go, and your ears would be plugged. Now every once in a while, when it wasn't windy, and it was windy all the time, it was magical because the snow started falling, and because my ears were plugged because of the L, I would walk home. I'd walk home to Taylor Street. It was only like 4 or 5 miles, and it was magical. I'm telling you, it was like Disneyland before it was Disneyland.
When was the first time you met Santa Claus?
Santa Claus. When did I meet Santa Claus? I mean, I would pray for him anyway. No, I didn't see him, but like most kids, we wouldn't give him milk and cookies. We'd give him cannolis and busted chalk and shoe-yadel, maybe a little glass of wine, you know. And Santa Claus was great.
Marshall Field?
Marshall Fields, so I remember that. Marshall Fields was fabulous. And all those big department stores. And we used to go, we never went to restaurants, but my father used to like to go, what do you call it? We'd go to, at the Loop, and we'd go window shopping. I mean, it doesn't sound like much, but it was kind of exciting, you know? So we'd go see all these great stores, and my sister and I, before my brother, and we would window shop. And we'd go to Maxwell Street. In Maxwell Street, we'd be in the back of the car, and we'd get those hot dogs, Chicago hot dogs. They're very famous. But in those days, we used to call them Red Hots. And it was like we could be up like to 11 o'clock at night, which was amazing. And the people were, tons of people walking around. It was just magical. I mean, what a wonderful time. But it's the same way in Jersey City, New York, Cleveland. Those were times and those were neighborhoods, they just don't exist anymore, unfortunately.
Bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.